Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Buongiorno! Hi everyone, I'm Felice Angelini. Ciao a tutti, sono Felice Angelini. Welcome to the Italian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, we learn how to make a small talk about the weather in Italian. Are you ready? So, let's get started. First, imagine two neighbors meet in the elevator, and one of them comments. Che caldo! Sì, oggi fa caldo. One more time. Che caldo! Che caldo! Che caldo! Insieme. Che caldo! Che caldo means how hot. The second person. Sì, oggi fa caldo. Sì, oggi fa caldo. Sì, oggi fa caldo. That means, yes, it's hot today. Okay, one more time. The first person. Che caldo! Che caldo! Che caldo! Che caldo means how hot. Che caldo! And the second person. Sì, oggi fa caldo. Sì, oggi fa caldo. Sì, oggi fa caldo. That means, yes, it's hot today. Okay, let's try some different examples, but with a different weather condition. For example, che freddo! Or, che afa! Or, che vento! Or, che pioggia! Or, che neve! Did you notice? I always use the same pattern. Oh, this one. Che weather condition. Che weather condition. Intonation is like exclamation, but this depends on the situation. Okay, let's try to use this pattern together. So, do you remember this situation? Freddo. Freddo means cold. Cold. So in this case, I want to say, che freddo. Okay? Or another example. Do you remember this pattern? Oh. Oh. This word. Pioggia. Pioggia. Pioggia means rain. So in this case, tam. Che pioggia. Okay, one more time. In this case, afa. Afa. Afa means muggy, muggy weather. So in this case, tam, tam. Che afa. Che afa. Okay, the last example. This one, do you remember this word? Means wind. Wind, sorry. No. Okay, again, the last example. Oh, this one. Vento. Vento. Vento means wind. So in this case, Che vento. Che vento. Well, but this pattern only for weather condition? No. I think that this pattern is very, very useful in another situation. I want to talk about a different situation. For example, a good situation, not only, bad weather. For example, it's my birthday. And this special day, my darling gave me a very, very special present. For me, it's a great surprise. In this case, I want to use this word in Italian. It's a very important word. This one. Tesoro. Tesoro. Tesoro means treasure. Treasure. But, in this situation, when I received this special present, I want to say to my darling, you are so kind. So, okay, let's try to use the pattern. And together. Oh, wow! Che tesoro! Okay, it's working. Oppure, or one more example. This example, I think something about not good situation. I worked very, very hard, so hard. And maybe today is Saturday night. For me, it's not a party, unfortunately, but, I feel like this. Oh, in this case, I have this word, Italian word, sure. Do you know? It's a long word. Oh, sorry. Maybe not only on Saturday, right now. This word. Stanchezza. Stanchezza. Stanchezza means tiredness, weariness. So when I meet a friend on Saturday night and he say me, "Oh, Felice, come stai? How are you, Felice?" My response is the pattern. Che stanchezza. Che stanchezza. Do you remember how to say hot? Caldo. Caldo. Do you remember how to say how hot? Che caldo. Che caldo. Do you remember how to say cold? Freddo. Freddo. And how to say muggy weather? Afa. Afa. Do you remember how to say rain? Pioggia. Pioggia. And how to say wind? Vento. Vento. Well, great job. In this lesson you learned how to make a small talk about weather condition, but not only weather. Okay, so if you master this word, this one, remember, maybe you can talk about the weather with Italian friends. No problem. And okay, thank you for watching, and see you on italianpod101.com. So, grazie, a presto, ciao.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.